Your brand is probably in the shadow of death. If no one sees you, you're not getting any views, and you're not able to get sales right now. That's okay, because there is this thing called spiritual light, and if you know how to grow it, you will be able to grow your brand just like I did from 0 to 500,000. You'll be able to get your clients, which I've now coached hundreds of clients. Just helped my client Tom just this past week get first million views after posting for only 21 days. Chris, this month, he just went from 0 to 100,000 followers. This is all because of spiritual light. The question is, how do you grow your light? Well, if you're in darkness and you want to grow your light, that's okay. It's a really easy system. First of all, you want to start being generous, and be generous publicly. Don't hide it under a bowl. Be positioned where everyone can see you. And it's never been easier to do that until now with social media. You can post a video and the whole world can see you. But Jesse, I posted a video 3 weeks ago and it didn't get any views. The second thing you want to do to grow your spiritual light is to show up every single day. And if you're not showing up every single day, you're leaving light on the table. Because the way you grow your light, very simply, 3 steps I want you to take away. The first one is be generous. Second one is do it publicly where everyone can see you. And the third one is do it every single day. Do that for 90 days and watch your spiritual light grow like you've never seen before. If you want to learn exactly how to put this into the context of your brand, your business, I got a link below. You can book a call with me. We'll talk with you there. See you soon.